Did you know that every 39 seconds, there's a cyber attack taking place somewhere in the world? It's a sobering statistic that underscores the critical importance of cybersecurity. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of cybersecurity. We'll explore 5 indispensable skills that will empower you to protect yourself and others in this digital age. Whether you're looking to enhance your career prospects, secure your online presence, or protect your organization, these skills are the building blocks of success in this critical domain. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start off with skill number 1, networking and system administration. To start off in this field, consider pursuing certifications like CompTIA Security Plus and Cisco CCNA. Securing a CompTIA Security Plus certification can significantly enhance your prospects of securing an entry-level role in the IT sector. It guarantees that you possess a robust foundational knowledge in cybersecurity and physical security, along with the best practices to effectively serve your organization and tech environment. Moreover, it equips you with an understanding of the application of laws, regulations, and compliance. Cisco is a highly recognized and well-regarded brand within the networking industry. Achieving the Cisco CCNA Network Associate certification empowers you to set up, manage, and debug networks utilizing Cisco's products in a secure manner. When you explore this technological field, you'll discover that a majority of hardware networking systems have commonalities in their terminal commands. These certifications both provide a structured approach to mastering network security and identifying vulnerabilities. In simpler terms, think of them as your blueprints and tools for building and maintaining these crucial digital highways we've talked about, which serve as the backbone for every major business or institution. Another crucial skill is system administration. This means taking a close look inside your computer and really getting to know how it works. System administrators are a bit like the mechanics of the digital world. They make sure everything runs smoothly, just like a car mechanic. Make sure your car runs well. Off to skill number 2, knowledge of operating systems and virtual machines. In the realm of cybersecurity, versatility is key. You need to be at home working with many different types of computer software. This is where knowledge of operating systems and virtual machines comes in handy. Your journey to mastering the former begins by becoming proficient in operating environments such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. After all, cybersecurity experts need to be able to adapt to any operating system seamlessly, as threats can emerge from any corner of the digital world. As for virtual machines, VMs, they can be a valuable asset to further enhance your cybersecurity repertoire. One exciting real-world use of VMs is in the realm of software development and testing. Developers can create VMs to mimic different operating systems and hardware configurations, allowing them to thoroughly test their software on various platforms before releasing it to the public. This not only helps in ensuring compatibility, but also saves time and resources by avoiding potential issues down the road. Of course, VMs also play a crucial role in cybersecurity. Security professionals often employ VMs to isolate potentially malicious software or websites for analysis. This sandboxing technique provides a safe place for dissecting and understanding cyber threats without risking harm to their own systems. So, to summarize, they provide a secure environment for testing and experimentation, and serve as a training ground where you can simulate real-world scenarios without any risk. Before we continue on to skill number 3, here's something that might interest you.
Ever been curious about blockchain, AI, and cybersecurity? Welcome to BlockLink Digital, where tech becomes simple. Discover hundreds of articles and videos that keep you ahead. Join thousands of tech enthusiasts and subscribe to our weekly newsletter. Never miss a beat of the future. Sign up, it's free. Don't get left behind in the tech revolution. www.blocklink.digital. Dive into tomorrow, today.
Now let's get back to the video. Skill number 3, network security control. Moving on to our third skill, network security control. This skill revolves around fortifying the very heart of your cybersecurity efforts. Your network is kind of like a castle, and you're the gatekeeper. Understanding how routers, firewalls, and other network devices work is imperative. A firewall, for instance, acts as a shield, blocking unauthorized traffic and ensuring only the right data gets through. To become a real master of network security, your arsenal should include knowledge about intrusion detection systems, IDS, intrusion prevention systems, IPS, and virtual private networks, VPNs. Intrusion detection systems are self-explanatory. They help spot any breaches. Intrusion prevention systems, as the name also suggests, focus on preventing potential intrusions, while virtual private networks secure data transmission across the vast digital landscape. Being able to operate these guardians of the digital realm is essential for a successful career in cybersecurity. Skill number 4, coding. Now, let's explore a skill that adds another layer to your cybersecurity expertise, coding. While you're not expected to be a programming wizard, a strong grasp of coding is a valuable asset. Imagine coding as the key to deciphering the language of cyber threats, your number one enemy. Learning languages like C and C++ gives you insight into low-level programming, which can be instrumental in understanding how vulnerabilities can be exploited. Fun fact: did you know that one of the earliest computer viruses was created as an experiment in 1982? It was called the Elk Cloner and targeted Apple II computers. Unlike today's sophisticated cyber threats, it was relatively harmless and simply displayed a playful poem on infected computers. This early example highlights how coding knowledge can be used both for fun and, in some cases, for mischief in the world of cybersecurity. Skill number 5, cloud security. Our fifth and final essential skill is cloud security. In an era where businesses are rapidly adopting cloud-based solutions, understanding how to protect data and systems in the cloud is non-negotiable. The cloud is essentially a network of remote servers that host people's data. Therefore, as the name suggests, cloud security involves protecting your data from cyber threats. It's like the lock and key to safeguarding your valuable assets, ensuring that your data and systems remain safe and sound as they float in the cloud. Companies like AWS and Azure are pioneers in the world of cloud computing. As a cybersecurity professional, you must grasp the intricacies of securing data and systems in these cloud environments. Individuals with experience in managing platforms like Microsoft Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud are in high demand. So, there you have it, the 5 essential skills you need to master to embark on a successful career in cybersecurity. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.